Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to another Flybot Flux video. First of all, thank you very much for your liking and supporting to my Flybot Flux video. A lot of people said they love the speed on this plane. This is definitely an insanometer fast, crazy fast RC wing. Upon many followers' request, I said I will do another high-speed line-of-sight flight for all of you to enjoy, and that's what I did. But before I go any further, please apologize because I'm a dork. I was shooting some time-lapse videos at home for the build of another airplane, and I left the camera on time-lapse and I didn't check it before shooting. So when I flew this plane for all of you to watch those crazy fast passes, camera was shooting in time-lapse mode. And guess what? I had the most lethal, the most high-speed crash on FPV flying wing ever in my life. I heard that bang. I went all the way up at very high speed right there, and then I flipped the wing down and came full throttle down, stabilized the plane right before me for a beautiful pass. But that was so high speed that just a little twitch of my finger, plane just dived down and hit the ground with the loudest RC crash bang of my life. The crash was so hard that you can see the stickers are stuck on the ground. You can imagine how hard the plane hit the ground. Man, I simply wish I wasn't the dork who actually didn't see the camera was on time-lapse mode. Ah man, what a beautiful crash missed. I mean, that bang when it hit the ground was so loud, and then I heard that the fuselage is going at a light speed, screeching on the ground, and the wings were just here on the ground, and the camera, my HD camera, which actually not working now sadly, it went all the way to that motorbike right there. Man, that was really high speed crash. Well, I was trying to find the TF card because the TF card just flew out of the camera and I cannot find it, and it's really impossible to find the TF card because the way the crash happened at really high speed, I went really high up there, I flipped over, turned the plane over and came downward full throttle and went above my head, not above, just in front of me. But I just had a slight miscontrol on the elevator and plane went down. Bang! That was such a big bang, man, loud bang that actually I thought I actually lost everything. But you gotta give it to the design of this plane, and that's why I said they designed the plane this way. See, my fuselage is completely intact. My Futaba receiver box is broken. I'm sure Futaba receiver is still okay. Alright, I couldn't find one more extension cable. I found one extension cable that was broken. I found wings which are completely intact. Check this out. So that's what we were talking about, that the plane crashed at such high speed and the wings are still intact. Once again, I feel really bad that I didn't know my camera was recording in time-lapse mode. Man, I missed such a great crash. The plane is still repairable. I mean, I just have to put the wings back on. I have to replace the propeller and start flying it again. Nothing is damaged. My battery seems to be damaged. Check this out. Yes, I actually wouldn't use this battery anymore. Sadly, my Runcam 3, I have to say goodbye to it. I actually repaired it before, it worked, but now it is completely gone, people. I wish I can find the TF card again, but I'm happy that I got a used GoPro Session 5, so I can actually replace this one, no worries. I have found one intact extension cable. I can still use it. And I found the bottom part of my Futaba receiver. None of the antennas are broken. I'm really happy. My receiver is okay. These are expensive receivers. Now, this is the aftermath. See, the plane is still intact. That's what I'm talking about. That was the concept of the plane. And the plane will live to fly another day. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it! Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button, right?